goes like this: the poor, the beef, the minor fall, and the major lift, the Bible King composing hallelujah, hallelujah. Hello, Pax. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hoy, kulot! Baba ka dyan, kulot, uy! Your faith was strong, but you need a proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She taught you to hear a kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah. 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 Maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot someday put through. Hello, Kuya Oni. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who's in the light and it's gone and it's broken. Hallelujah. 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 Kuya Oni, nag-watch ako sa'yo kanina. Thank you sa support mo sa akin na second channel. Yan. Okay, isa din sa mga
Ano ba yung rose?
favorite.
Yung rose ba?
Rose. Kasi,
Ah.
kantahin mo yung Delilah, ha?
Hindi nga maganda yung sound card ko. Nahirapan nga ako sa sound card ko. Ngayon pa talaga ito nag-inarte. Ano? Sige na, go ahead.
Ano yan?
Salamat, Oni.
Kuya Oni, shout out. Rose.
Tsaka yung ano lang dahil sa'yo ba yun? Yun, paborito nila yun.
Siya ba kumanta yun? Roses? The Rose ba yun?
The Rose yata yun eh.
Kasi meron, kalimutan ko yung title.
Alam mo yung kantahin, lagi mo kinakanta yan. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi, yung nakalimutan ko yung title, yung talaga. Kay pala, Betty Bender. Kasi marami ka akong Rose. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung sinong kumanta. Thank you, Onin, Mama Rudy, yan sa ating mga
Sinking.
the family of Mang Winong.
Ilang hours, anong oras ka ba, Alex, babes? Alauna na yata.
Something. Ayan, nawala tuloy ako. Kahit mga 2 hours tayo.
Okay.
Sinking. Kasi magla-live ka pa, di ba? Tuloy mo mamaya yung emotion mo.
Kung kaya pa.
Some say love, it is a river, the throne, the tender heat. Some say love.